there. See what else you find.
Okay.
Okay, reach in again.
I got
Now pull it out. A Squeaky.
Squeaky. Yeah, I get another Squeaky. Take another Squeaky. What I got?
Those are for flossing your teeth.
Yay! I still know. I got another thing. Yes. I got this.
Is it a chapstick?
That's what that's good. Look.
What is it?
Or chopstick.
Yeah, that's honest. See, surprise. I got.
You love playing with those.
Yay! I got some more here.
There's more in there?
Yeah.
No way.
Yes, I can see surprise. Oh, wait.
New underwears?
Yeah.
Princess underwears.
Yeah, that's honest.
This is honest.
Let's see that one. Look it.
Sunglasses?
Yeah, that's honest.
That is Olive's. Maybe Daddy wants to sit down and open his stocking.
No.
That's Daddy's.
Hey, open it. Look at my necklace.
Oh, it's so pretty.
Now your turn. You do that. Like me. Look it.
Look, this is a hat.
What is this?
First aid kit for the car.
That's for Olive. Look, that's Olive's.
It's Olive's toothpaste.
Yeah. I got small.
Got
That's
mine.
mine.
That's Mommy's.
No, okay.
That's Mommy's. Mommy gets to open her stocking.
No way. I got something. Look. That's all.
Sam, I think I'm dirty.
I know you're getting close to getting that thing out.
I got this.
What's on there?
It's a necklace.
Ballet shoes. Isn't that pretty?
That's a necklace.
It is a necklace with ballet shoes on it. Do you think Santa knows that you're a ballerina?
Yes.
Yes.
Hey, I got it. Hey, I have it.
Oh, this is Mommy's. See, it says Nicole on it.
Oh, look it.
Another toothbrush. Yay!
I got something. I got another Squeaky.
Ooh. 5 Squinkies.
Yeah.
Ooh, Mommy got a speaker.
Huh?
I got a speaker.
What?
It's a speaker. It puts out music.
Oh. I got something. I got something for me. Look.
Is it Mandy's?
Yeah, that's for my boo-boos.
Yeah, it's Hello Kitty.
Yeah. Oh my goodness, look!
Oh, is it my stocking?
Let's open it.
Is there anything more in your stocking? Or are you all done?
I got
It's
your necklace.
Mm.
That's your necklace.
It is. Isn't it pretty?
Yeah.
Santa knows just what Mommy likes.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
I got something.
That's something.
That's good.
More chopsticks.
Yeah. That's good. Mommy.
Got beautiful hair clips.
Is that mine?
No, those are from Mommy. stocking.
Yeah, I'll open it.
Well,
That's for Troy and Mackenzie. That's not yours. That's
Call Kenzie over here so she can see as you open it.
Okay.
Say,
Kenzie, Charlie!
Right? No, tell him to come over here. You sit down right here.
Come on, Charlie. Come on, Charlie. Charlie. Charlie.
moving.
Huh?
Charlie.
Moving.
Get toy for you. Toy. Toy, toy, toy.
Pretty.
Kenzie, Kenzie. Kenzie, Kenzie. I got something. Wake up. Look, a doggy treat.
Onion treats.
Hey, quit opening me.
Oh, I'm not going to open them right now.
That's a doggy treat.
Pretty.
I got something in a can. I got some. Another treats for doggies.
Here, put them right there.
I got something.
I think that's it.
I got something. Ah!
That's all.
All
Here,
done.
let's hang it up. Hand it to Daddy.
Here, Daddy. We're all done. Let's open the present.
You want to open your presents from Santa?
Yeah. Let's open this one first. Let's open this one. Open it.
Go ahead, go ahead.
I can't.
Who's it from? It's to Olive from Santa Claus.
Hey, let's open it. I can't.
Just pull off the ribbon.
Okay. Let's open it. Open it. Open it.
What is it?
No. Now look it. No. Look it. Look at this.
Is it a beautiful baby?
Yeah, that's Olive.
Is Olive?
Yeah, that's Olive's baby. That's Daddy.
Got a baby.
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Look. Oh my goodness. Let's open another present. Let's open this one. Baby is so round. Yeah. Let's open this one. I'll open
Let's
this.
see, who's it from? To Olive from Santa Claus.
Let's open.
Oh, there you go.
Let's open it.
There's two presents there.
Huh?
There's two presents.
Two presents?
See, they're stacked on top of each other.
I got something. Look at this. Let's open it.
Here.
Yay. This is so bright. Yay. My backpack.
It's a seat to put on your bag when we go to the airport for baby to sit on.
Where?
See, you strap in baby on there, and then you strap this onto your suitcase.
Oh. Let's open the other presents.
Wait, what about this one?
Oh, new one. Open it. Just open it. Oh my goodness.
You know what that is?
Yes.
That's for carrying your baby in front of you. You put it on kind of like a backpack and it carries your baby
I did my back.
on your front.
Oh.
It's super cool. We'll try it in a little bit. What else is in What else is in the stroller?
Hey, I haven't looked at your stroller. You see your stroller?
Isn't it pretty?
Yeah, I got the baby on it.
Yeah.
Baby's so cute.
Who else is on there?
My baby's here.
Oh, who's this?
Dumbo.
Yeah.
I'm gonna push her. The baby's.
It's a pretty nice stroller.
I see. Hey, let's open this one present.
Let's see if it's for you. Hold on. Yep, it's to Olive from Nana.
Oh, let's open it.
A new show. That's Nana's favorite show.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, I'll open that one. What is this one?
Is that for you? Let's see. Yep, that's to Olive from Daddy.
Let's open it.
That's right.
Huh?
That's right.
It is from you?
Here.
It's pink.
Yeah. Look at this.
It says Giants on it. Go Giants.
Yeah, that's honest.
That is Olive. Isn't it pretty?
Yeah,
Daddy
let's-
picked that out for you.
Yeah, let's open this one. Hey, it's so surreal. Oh, no one.
Another one. It's so cool.
That's a Giants.
Giants. Go Giants.
That's honest.
That is Olive's.
Yeah, let's open that one. Oh, it's so loud. I'll open this one.
Oh, bring all of those over here. Here.
Oh, yeah. This one.
Yeah, open them all together.
Yeah, open this one first, so I'll open this one.
Okay. Maybe we should put the log on the TV with the Christmas music. What is it? Let me see. It's Cinderella accessories.
Yeah, that's mine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, here's one more. Look. It's a Cinderella necklace.
Yeah, that's mine. Oh,
Pretty.
open that one. Let's open that one.
Yeah. What is it?
That's cherries.
It is. And who's on there? Is that Cinderella?
Yeah, that's my shoes.
Yep, those are Cinderella slippers. Aren't
Yeah,
those
that's-
pretty?
Yeah, let's open this one.
Okay.
Oh my goodness!
What is that?
That's a baby.
Is it a Cinderella baby?
Yeah. Hey, that's my baby.
That is your baby.
Let's open that one. Let's open this one. Open this one.
Daddy's organizing your presents. Isn't that funny?
No.
Is it a Cinderella blanket?
Yeah, that's my
That
blanket.
is your blanket. You like it?
Let's open it.
You want to open it?
Yeah. Blanket.
Hold on, hold on.
My blanket, my blanket. I should have my blanket here. Oh, do I want?
Yeah, I don't do anything. What is that?
That's my friend Marina.
Is that a Cinderella doll?
Yeah.
Pretty.
Let's open this one. Oh, eat.
It is.
Where? There?
Mm-hmm.
Look.
Is that the Cinderella movie?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Let's open this one.
Don't give it to me.
Doesn't know what you're asking.
Not yet. No. Don't look at it. Look, kids.
Does that go with your Cinderella doll? Is it different outfits?
Yeah. Let's open another presents. I'm gonna open this one. Let's take the ball off.
Okay.
Where, Mommy? I can't open it.
Yeah.
Now hey, look! That's my pink over here. That's a pinky.
Is it a pinky toy?
Yes.
It's a wedding castle surprise.
Look at my pinky toy.
Crazy thing with those pinkies.
Let's open another present. I'll open this one.
Hold on, let's make sure it's to you. Yep, that's to you from Nana and Papa.
Where am I? Where? Oh, right here. Not yet. Not yet. Look.
Ooh, looks like a game.
It is a game. It's called Ants in the Pants.
Yeah. Let's open it.
Well, let's play with it later.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's open another present. Let's open this one.
Is that for you? Hold on. Yep, that's from Kenzie.
Yeah, let's open it.
Kenzie got you a present.
Where am I? Where's that blanket?
No, it's not a blanket. It's a bug costume.
Oh,
You
yeah.
could be a bug.
Yay! Hey, let's open another present. I'll open this one. Also, right here in my blanket.
That is from Great Grandma and Grandpa.
And me?
It's for Olive from Great Grandma and Grandpa.
Eat. Let's
jammies. Those are pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, let's open
What about this one?
Yeah. You're silly.
You're the silly one.
I can't, Mommy. Where? Oh, my nana jammies.
Another jammy.
Yeah, that's my jammies.
Sure is.
Yeah, let's open nana presents. Ooh.
Who's that one from? That's from Daddy.
Yeah, let's open
For me.
Yeah.
So maybe after you open it, you can
Hey,
say
that's
thank you.
it. That's mine. That's my toy. Hey, look it. Look. Look, Mommy.
What is it?
That's my bowling toy.
It's your building toys?
Yeah. Hey, what's open that one?
Oh, not that one.
That one? This one?
Let me see. Let me see. Yep, that's from Nana and Papa Marvin.
And me too.
Well, I get you. Oh, I got your Lego.
Mine. That's mine.
What is it?
That's my jammy.
Is it Star Wars jammies?
Yeah.
Yay!
Hey,
Star Wars.
Daddy.
Awesome.
Star Wars. Important.
Hey, Daddy.
Thank you.
Let's open this one.
Who's that from? Let me see. That's from Charlie and Kenzie too.
It's Olive.
It's To Olive from Charlie and Kenzie.
Oh. Banana jammy.
More jammies.
Yeah, that's my jammy.
It's a jammy extravaganza.
Yeah, that's my jammies. Hey, that's my jammies.
Yeah, they're awesome.
Yeah. What about? You always open this one. I can't open it.
Candyland, that's from Nana and Papa Marvin.
And me?
That's For Olive from Nana and Papa Marvin.
What's this?
It's a game.
Yeah, that's my game.
It is your game.
Now let's open it.
We'll play it together later.
Okay. Let's open this one. Because this is toy.
Sounds like Charlie maybe.
Hey, look.
Another game from Nana and Papa Marvin.
And me.
Yeah, it's For Olive from Nana and Papa Marvin.
That's my game.
It's a game, it's Chutes and Ladders.
Yeah. Let's open another presents.
Okay, hold on. Is that for you? Let's see. Bring it over. Yep, that's To Olive from Mommy.
Go out soon.
Another game.
It is another game. It's a Squeakies game.
Yeah. Let's open it.
We'll play it later.
Okay, let's open another present.
that one's for Daddy. Should we let Daddy open a present?
We'll open ours last. It's all for you.
You want Daddy to open it?
No, that's for Olive.
Well, that's Daddy's present. No, Olive, that's Daddy's present, sweetheart. You don't open other people's presents. No, that's Daddy's present.
That's
There's
my
a present
present.
for you right there.
Hey, Daddy, want to open this one?
I will later. Why don't you open another one?
I'll help her find one set up for her. Can't read.
Yep, you can open these.
Open these ones. That's Olive for my mommy.
Let's see. It's to Olive from Mommy and Daddy.
Yeah.
Help.
I help. Open it. Open the box. Where's my blanket? My blanket.
Oh, you took her blanket away.
Sorry, I was trying.
We'll get it in a minute.
That's
It's a speaker.
Oh.
Open the rest and you'll see why you have it.
What's this?
It's a speaker. You gotta open the rest so you can see what it goes to.
Oh, he likes his toys.
He sure does.
Yeah. I'll open this one. That's Curry's toy. But my backpack.
Yep, it's a bag for what's inside this one.
Okay, let's open it.
Well, no, you gotta open this present, see what we put inside it.
Now open this one. Look it.
It's a
What's that?
DVD player.
That's mine.
It is yours, and it goes in here. And if you're watching it outside or something, you get an extra speaker.
Oh, let's open it.
Well, we'll open it later.
Let's open another present.
Want to open your present from Kelsey?
Yeah, let's open Kelsey's this one.
Careful. Careful. Olive. Okay, Mommy's going to help you because it's heavy and delicate. Is that so beautiful?
Yeah.
You have to be really careful with it. It plays music.
Look.
It's a snow globe.
Yeah.
Shake it. Hold on. Careful. Should we put it up on the fireplace?
No, let's put it in my backpack.
No, we can't put it in the backpack, sweetie. Isn't that pretty?
Yeah, let's open another present. Look it. Look it.
So pretty.
Another roll.
That's from Charlie and Kenzie. That's Lady and the Tramp.
Yeah. Let's open another present. Hi, Daddy.
I got it.
No, not that one. That one.
Olive gets to take her own pictures.
Here, it's this one right here. See?
That's Mommy's.
No, you
No,
get
it's
to use
your
it now.
camera
it's yours
now.
now.
Yeah, I want to take a picture.
Yeah.
It's a cheese.
Cheese.
Where?
Push that button. Good job.
Good job. See, you'll have so much fun playing with that.
I'll open this one.
Okay, that's from Tinkerbell. Tinkerbell.
And look, another blanket.
I don't think it's a blanket.
Look.
Is it a Tinkerbell sweatshirt?
Yeah.
That's pretty awesome.
I'll open this one.
Whoa!
I'll open this one.
Is that for you?
Oh, I gotta look and see if it's for you.
This is for me.
How do you know?
That's for Poppy, Grandma, and Olive.
Let me see. That's for Olive from Mommy and Daddy.
I'm already sorry.
Hey, look.
Books!
Yeah. Yay. Another book.
Lots of books.
Miss Linda's Ballerina and the Wicked Wish.
And then that one.
Corduroy goes to school. Look, this one has fun flaps.
Look at this one. Let's open another present.
That's all, baby.
That's it?
That's all for
those,
you.
Those are Mommy and Daddy's presents. Those are from Santa for us.
No, that's not
No,
yours.
that's it.
Daddy has to open his presents.
No, those are my presents.
That's Daddy's present. Daddy gets to open it. Maybe he'll let you help.
How would I help me?
No, you can help Daddy. That's his present.
Then we'll open your presents, Daddy. Daddy will open his presents. I'll open this one.
That's Daddy's. Tell him to come sit down.
Why don't you give Mommy your present from you?